In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WP booking engine in WordPress. We'll guide you through each step to get your booking system up and running efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your WordPress website where you manage all the components including plugins. Once you're in, navigate to the plugins section, which is situated on the left-hand side menu. Hover over it until a submenu appears, then click on Add New. This takes you to a page where you can explore and add new plugins to enhance the functionality of your website. Now, use the search bar in the upper right corner of the plugins page and type in WP booking engine. This step is crucial as it helps you find the specific plugin we need for setting up the booking system. Once the results pop up, locate the WP booking engine plugin and click Install Now, and then activate. Activation is key. It gets the plugin running and ready for configuration. After activation, you'll notice a new menu item has appeared on your dashboard named Booking or sometimes Hotel Booking, depending on the version. This is where you can manage all your booking features. Click on this new menu and head to Add New Room/Service. This will allow you to start specifying the elements of your booking options. At this point, you're ready to enter essential details for your booking item. Give it an engaging title that clearly describes the room or service. Follow that with a detailed description and specify the price. Don't forget to set the availability to ensure customers can easily see when they can book. Adding images can greatly enhance the appeal, so upload attractive photos that represent the room or service well. Once you have everything filled out and you're happy with the details, go ahead and click Publish. This saves your booking item and makes it available for future customers. You can view it under Rooms and familiarize yourself with how it appears to potential clients. To make sure visitors can see and book these items directly from your website, navigate to Pages and select Add New. Name your page something intuitive, like Book Now or Rooms, to attract users' attention. In this page, you will add a shortcode, which is a bit of pre-written code that tells WordPress to display your bookings. Enter the shortcode, WP Booking Engine, in the page content area. Finally, hit Publish to make your new booking page go live. You can view your page to ensure everything is set correctly. Your booking form and listings are now fully integrated and ready for users. Visitors to your website will be able to see available rooms or services and make bookings directly from the comfort of their screens. This setup not only enhances your website's functionality, but also improves user experience, making it a win-win for your business and your customers. Happy booking!